Ala, baling-bali. Ala. Kaway, maybe. Si Mami uno nakahila. Paano ka matututo? Wala, baling-bali ang rad. Yan, dyan na. Okay guys, welcome back sa aming YouTube channel. Ngayon guys ay nagpipishing kami. Magbo-boat kami ngayon. Yan. Naantay lang namin ng aming kasama si Uncle Doug. Hila niya yung boat. So around 6:40 AM na ngayon dito, New Zealand time. Ayun guys, nandun na pala yung aming kasama boat. Ayun si Uncle Doug. Andun na siya. May, let's go. Nandun si Uncle Doug guys. Oh. Gising na kasi utay. Gising na. Gising. Naiyak. Ano sabi mo? Hi ka naman.
Hello. Good morning.
Nandun si Doug sa kabila.
Hindi naman pa eh.
Andiyan. Doug, morning.
Morning.
Say hi.
Hello.
Ito ang aming boat guys. Hindi naman siya kalakihan pero kaming tatlo. Okay. Dito dati nga 4 kami. So, yan. Hindi siya kalakihan pero kasyang-kasya lang. Tama lang. Okay guys. Tara, samahan niyo kami sa aming adventure. Yung pick up truck Toyota Hilux.
Want to go back and get me bait?
I bought some bait last night. I just said maybe I will try to charge. The brothers don't know that we go fishing.
Hey?
My brother.
Huh?
Inside, he's crying. He want to come. Do you think he can come next time?
Yeah.
You got a life jacket for him. Yesterday when they coming to work, I'm still there. I said, tomorrow morning we're early. We're about to go at Macleod. I said, yeah. Before 7 o'clock we should be there. He said. He said anyway, get home, you ring me and he said we go fishing. I didn't tell them that we go fishing.
Mahirap din palang mag... Ha?
Bantaan. Hi? Yeah, good. Other way, yep. Other way. Straight. Other way. Yep. Let's go straight.
In the water yet?
Yeah.
A little bit more. A little bit more.
Should take your net off first.
Do we need to take it from here?
Yep.
Binalik mo pa. Excited na ako. Madami mahahuli ngayon. Sasakay na ako.
Sasakay na ako si mami sa boat. Bababa na rin sila ng boat. Life jacket mo.
In case we sink.
Nah, do not sink. I'm light.
Hey?
Guys, napakaganda ng dagat. Kalmado. Sige, diyan ka sa unahan. Hindi naman naandar yan. Yung nakaanong ulo. Diyan ka, tabi tayo dyan. Oh, hawa mo ano. Saan pala tayo sa boat?
Yeah. Just a lucky one. Hey?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Lucky your brothers haven't broken it. Hey?
Oh,
Or lost it.
they broke all my fishing stuff. Tsangkala.
Might be too rough, eh?
Hawakan mo.
Lapad na ito. Mukha lapad ng boat na ito. Alam mo rito yung basta-basta maliit. Sa kabilang boat sila. Nagsagot pa na hanggang sa naggasolina na.
Pilipit naman lang. Kasok na.
Tapon na yata.
Wala ka rin. Dini ka na. Ako yun na mahihilo din. Diyan ako sa baba. Dini ka na. Mababa dyan. Manong yung TMB. Masasarap din yan maghahalis. Paikot-ikot lang ari din eh.
Hindi na ikot yan. Nakakangko.
Uy, bakit naandar pa?
Ha? Kaya ano lang yung agos.
Unang hagis.
Panso. Was it current going in or
Hey?
going in or going out?
Yeah, that way.
Hindi naman kailangan ihagis.
For another.
Kailangan pag ihagis.
Siyempre, sumabit din sa ano.
Unang hagis. Huli agad. Panga.
Hindi na sa malapit ang boat. Hindi na kailangan. Sana sa lang natin. Pasok ang agos.
Kaya ang kaldag niya, dyan lang. Hmm? Wala akong dalang sana.
Ano na, may ulit. Huya! Yan, may cut si mami. Hindi yan bibigay. Dahil mo. Kaya mo yan. Oh. Wala, baling-bali. Kaway, maybe. Si mami una nakahila. Paano ka matututo? Wala, baling-baliaran. Yan, dyan na. Malapit na. Guys, nakahulagan si mami. Laki. Laki. It's around here. Yeah, big one. Oh, see? 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 Puti. It's a big one.
Oh my God! Laki!
Ay? Yeah, use big charge. Maybe. They like big charge. Yeah. Laki. Laki. Huwag mo nga rin. Baka makakamay ka. Ang laki oh. Guys, you know, laki ang huli ni mami.
Kaya may talsik ang tubig yan.
Yan no? Sobrang laki. Ay, tingnan chinelas ko. Ano masasabi mo? Experience ka na.
Sumabit yung ano.
Laki. It's a big one, Uncle Dagay.
Hey?
Not bad eh.
Not bad one.
Unang-una.
Laki. Ano gana tanggal mo? Sumuot sa net. First bite. Thank you Lord. Hawakan mo. Yan. Pan-thumbnail na yan. Pan-thumbnail. Laki guys oh.
Hanggang.
Ito na. Ilababa mo lang yan. Hold on, we going. Can you open the?
It's big.
Bubuk ang kalit. It's the first catch. First catch? No. Yeah, first time for her, ay. Okay, kumain namin ay field charge. Parang
Baling-bali yung ano ko. Fishing rod ko.
Yeah, 20 more of those, we're doing all right.
yeah.
Haven't even had a bite.
Ari ata magcha-champion ngayon.
Biting, maybe will.
Nagcha-champion na rin akin. Guys, may nakubit na ulit sa akin. Dali, hawakan na. Nawala.
Tayo muna eh. Ano? She got the second bite. She got the second bite. Maybe not the same. Maybe smaller. Maybe smaller one. Let's see. It's a good size. Oh, maybe also same size. Ah, smaller.
Legal.
I think it's legal.
Keep that one.
We can keep for now. Oh. Hey guys, padalawa. Yung ba yan? Parang maluluma yata ako ngayon na. Isa lang nakakahuli. Oh. They
Yay!
like to charge maybe. You have a plier uncle like that?
Down the bottom of the boat, you know. Walk down to the seat under you.
Oh, good. There you go.
Found it?
Yeah. Nah, guys, padalawa niya oh. Sana all.
Yeah.
Kapain na lang ako.
Tagapain at saka taga-video. Ikaw yung taga-video ngayon. Pangatlong hagis. Pangatlong hagis.
Oh. Bye.
Pangatlong hagis na to.
Laki ng una, di ko.
Laki ng una.
Meron pa nga mas malalaki pa dyan. Halos paripas dati ang aming huling din ng kalalaki. Oh?
And show us all up.
Hmm.
Well, they put it in the wrong spot.
Wait.
Nah. That one.
Nakagat na naman.
Mga kagat na naman. Pangatlo na to.
Nakagat nga. Yun, huli na naman. Huli na naman ni Mami. Huli na naman.
Parang maliit.
Maliit. Maybe smaller. Galing na rin. Hindi na. Oh.
Sorry.
Oh.
Maliit.
Ah, smaller. Hawakan mo.
Maliit pa.
Guys, undersize pa to. So, ay ko, i-release ulit natin. dito ng tatalian. Hindi managaw dito masyado.
Pang-apat na hagis.
Puro huli ah.
Puro huli.
Yeah, this is small, right? Some rocks out there.
Guys, may dumawi kayang kaldog. Big one?
Keepers. I think.
Ano lang kung ano kakalaki. Where it go? Eh, ano din dun sa kabila. Dapat guys mga 300. It's shorter.
It's short.
Yeah. Guys, may huli siyang kaldog.
Now, snag the ground on the bottom, I think.
Ah, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, Uncle, look, another one here. Oh, maybe this is a big one. Oh, we got one. Another one here. Is it there?
Gone.
Oh. Yun. Oh, yun siya. Legal size. Good size, ay. Oh, you got patch another line. Huli niya yung may nakuha siyang line. And guys, tatlo na yung huli namin. Ako wala pa, sila meron na.
Wala namin pa eh. Guys, yan. May huli na naman tayo. Supatin mo para sure.
This one legal size ang lag guys.
Meron ka plies dun sa bag ni mo kinuha. Supatin mo dun.
May na to?
Ha?
Ako is legal ay.
Hey? Yeah, I think it's on the middle. Run at 310.
310 eh.
Is it? Is that right on the thing there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's alright. Okay na ba? Bigyan natin sa supot.
Huli ni Daddy. Nakahuli na naman ako. Pang-apat na yan. Pang-apat.
Pasok na yan.
Yeah, this is.
Paltukan pa. Ano ang sukat de? $320. Yay.
Huli natin sa kaldog. Maliit. Good size.
A bit small.
A little bit small.
A bit
Yeah,
small, right?
smaller. Bawal yung huli ko. Ito. Siguro malaki ito. Nakikot ang bait namin.
I think it's the one I just threw in. Ah,
Oh!
cut off.
Oh, eh.
Ooh.
Sayang guys, nakakawala. Malaki yun, sigurado.
Magkakape muna daw siya kasi
Wala pa akong huli. I don't have any bite yet, so I'll just take a break. Good.
anong oras na ga? Ha?
Balik na nga dito, no?
Tahimik guys. Ano yan? Sagad na ang low tide?
High tide.
Ang high tide?
I think the water is turning back. Something like the tide.
Oh, it's just a straight side of them. They don't really feed on this.
Ang liit naman pala. Sabihin malaki. Small one.
20 pounder.
2 pounds.
Hey?
2 pounds. Small one. Stingray.
I don't know what it is.
Basta.
Oh. Coral.
It's wood.
Oh. Here we stuck our line ay.
Talaba.
Not sure how you cook these ones.
Big one.
You throw it back and catch it again. Or
Keep it there at the back. Okay. Yeah.
Walang huli. Ayos-yosi lang.
Guys, may nahuli si Uncle Doug.
you might need the net.
Yung net ko.
Ah!
Use it.
Got off, yeah.
Oh. Yung guys, sayang nakawala. Malaki yun, sigurado. Nag-i-start na ulit silang kumutib niya. Kasi bumalik na yung agos. Okay guys, update ulit kayo mamaya. Okay guys, ayan. Nandito na tayo sa malapit sa Mapurang. Bali nakahuli tayo ng alimuni pa. Gandang size na hindi tayo looking at sa ating bali nakahuli tayo ng Golden Bay. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Happy adventure. Guys, ang huli natin, anin niya tayo, 5. Laki ng huli ko guys, ako nakahuli niya malaki ha.